Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, the channel where you learn how to take care of your nails by yourself at home. I thought I might show you how to switch from round medium nails to short square nails and how to apply stickers on a regular nail polish. Also, I won't be using only one color of nail polish. I'll try to go with a different pattern. So let's hit the road. First, I'm gonna show you how to clean your nails. For this, you need a nail tool to push your cuticles. And after you push them with the sharp part, you clean the surface of your nail. When this is over, in order to give a square shape to your nail, you can use a nail file and adjust your nail. Or you can use some scissors to cut your nail. Then use a nail file and adjust it. I will also use a thinner nail file to clean the sides of the nail. As the proper shape and length is given to your nails, it's time to cut the cuticles. And in order to do this, you just place your hand in a bowl of warm water, leave it for a few minutes so that your cuticles will be soft. Then you just cut them with the scissors. Cleaning part is over. Now let's move to the fun part, applying the nail polish and the stickers. First, I apply nail hardener. I'll continue applying the colored nail polish, regular one, and I'll go with pink for these two fingers and blue for the other ones. I will apply 2 layers. Before applying the stickers, let the nail polish dry really good. And now applying the stickers, I will go with some stars this time. Gray for the fingers where I have pink nail polish. And pink where I have blue nail polish. I think I'll go with some pink for this finger too. And also with some gray for the blue one. Now what you need to do is seal everything with 1 layer of top coat, transparent nail polish. Then you let it dry really well. One more thing and you're done. I highly recommend you apply some oil for the cuticles to hydrate them. Just around the nail, some oil for the cuticles will do the trick. I hope this information is useful for you. I advise you to try it yourself. And if you have any questions, I'm like a message away. Also, a subscription to my channel is very appreciated. And turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care, bye!